Good morning, my dear student. Today in our class, we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 7, unitary method. In the word unitary, the unit means 1. So basically, the unitary method is a technique for solving a problem by finding out the value of a single unit and then finding the value for the necessary unit by multiplying it with the single unit. In this chapter, we have three type of questions, two type of sums you had already done in the previous classes. So let us learn all the methods one by one based on unitary. So let us start.
Unitary method. Unitary method is a method of calculation. The word unit means 1. Hence, it is basically a method of 1. In other words, the method by which we find out the value of one unit and further use it to find the value of multiple units is known as unitary method. The basic mathematical function used in unitary method are division and multiplication. There are three types of questions where we will use this method. First one, when we know the value of one and need to find the value of many, we multiply to do so. Second type of questions are when we know the value of many and need to find out the value of one, so we will divide there. In third type of question, when we know the value of many and need to find out the value of many, so first of all we will find the value of 1 by dividing and then find the value of many by multiplying. Now let us try to solve the questions of exercise 7.1 so that all the three methods will be clear to you. The question number 1 is a dozen pineapples cost rupees 264. Find the cost of one pineapple. So here the cost of many is given and you have to find the cost of one. So to find the cost of one, you always have to divide. So you can frame the statement like this. Cost of dozen pineapples is equals to 264. And cost of one pineapple will be 264 divided by 12. So after dividing 264 by 12, we get 22 as the cost of one pineapple. Second question is, a truck can carry 1350 bricks. How many bricks can be transported using 25 trucks? So in this question, it is given the number of bricks transported by a truck. So it means it is given for one and you have to find for many. So whenever you have to find for many, you have to multiply. So frame the statement like this. Number of bricks transported by a truck is equals to 1350. And number of bricks transported using 25 trucks is equals to 1350 multiplied by 25. So after multiplying, we get 33,750 are the bricks transported using 25 trucks. Question number 3 is, Shiv can walk a total of 1650 km in 30 days. How much will he walk in 120 days? So in this question, it is given for many and we have to find for many. So what we have to do first of all, we have to find for the 1 day. So we will divide, and for finding for many days, then we will multiply. So let us see how to solve it. It is given Shiv can walk in 30 days, which is equals to 1650 km. So from here, you can find out how much Shiv can walk in 1 day. So for finding for 1 day, you will divide. So 1650 divided by 30 is equals to 55 km. Now you get for the 1 day and you can easily find for the many by multiplying. So Shiv can walk in 120 days is equals to 55 multiplied by 120, which is equals to 6600 km. Question number 4 is, the cost of building one room is 27,345. How much will it cost to build 4 rooms? So here the cost of building one room is given and you have to find the cost of building the 4 rooms. So frame the statement like this. Cost of building one room is equals to 27,345. For finding the cost of building the 4 rooms, you will multiply 27,345 by 4. So after multiplying, we get 1,09,380 is the cost of building the 4 rooms. Question number 5 is, there are 570 liters of water in 19 bottles. How much water does one bottle contain? So it is given for many and we have to find for one. So we will divide. According to the question, quantity of water in 19 bottle is given 570 liter. So the quantity of water in one bottle will be equal to 570 divided by 19, which is equals to 30 liter. Question number 6 is, if a bag of rice contains 5 kg, then how many bags will be needed to pack 235 kg of rice? So according to the question, quantity a bag of rice contains, which is equals to 5 kg. We have to find the number of bags needed to pack 235 kg of rice. So we will divide 235 by 5, which is equals to 47. Question number 7 is, a gardener earns rupees 11,400 in 1 year. How much will he earn in 5 months? So it is given for the 1 year and we have to find for the 5 months. So first of all, we will find for the 1 month and then easily we can find out for the 5 months. In the question, it is given, a gardener earns in 1 year, which is equals to 11,400. So a gardener earns in 1 month will be equals to 11,400 divided by 12. So after dividing, we get a gardener earn in a 1 month, which is equals to 950. Now we can find out how much a gardener earn in 5 months, which will be 5 multiplied by 950, which is equals to 4,750. Question number 8 is, a swimmer swims a distance of 30 meters in 5 minutes. How far will he swim in 28 minutes? So it is given for many and we have to find for the many. So first of all, we will divide and then we can multiply. According to the question, a swimmer swims a distance in 5 minutes is equals to 30 meters. So we can find how much a swimmer swim in 1 minute. So a swimmer swim a distance in 1 minute will be 30 divided by 5, which is equals to 6 meters. Now after finding for 1, we can find for 28 minutes also. So a swimmer swims a distance in 28 minutes will be 28 multiplied by 6, which is equals to 168 meters. Question number 9 is, a ball of string has 35 meters. How many balls of string will be required to cover a distance of 910 meters? According to the question, a ball of string has meter, which is equals to 35 meters. Now to find the number of balls of string required to cover a distance of 910 meters, we will divide 910 by 35. So after dividing, we get 26 meters. Question number 10 is, 25 computers cost rupees 3,75,000. How much will one computer cost? So it is given for many and we have to find for one. So we will divide. According to the question, cost of 25 computers is equals to 3,75,000 and the cost of one computer will be 3,75,000 divided by 25. So after dividing, we get 15,000 is the cost of one computer. Question number 11 is a factory manufactures 1785 watches in 5 days. How many watches can be manufactured in 2 days? According to the question, it is given for the many and we have to find for the many. So first of all we will find for the 1 day and then we will find for the 2 days. So according to the question, it is given a factory manufactures watches in 5 days, which is equals to 1785. So a factory manufactures watches in 1 day will be 1785 divided by 5, which is equals to 357. Now we can find a factory manufactures in 2 days, which is equals to 2 multiplied by 357, which is equals to 714. Question number 12 is, if you need to pay rupees 19,800 for school fee for 1 year, then how much is your monthly school fee? So it is given for the 12 months and you have to find for the 1 month. So according to the question, school fee for 1 year is equals to 19,800 and the school fee for a month will be 19,800 divided by 12, as 1 year has 12 months. So after dividing we get 1,650 is the school fee for a month.
Thank you for watching the video. I hope the concepts are clear to you. Try to do the questions in your notebook yourself. See you soon in the next video. Till that time, take care.